Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of electric kettles. Have you ever wondered how these sleek and efficient gadgets can revolutionize your morning routine? Stick around as we explore the top electric kettle products on the market and uncover their benefits. And there you have it, a rundown of the best electric kettles on the market. Which one is your favorite? Drop a comment below to let us know. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button and subscribe for more awesome content.